abbreviated words in French. Le ciné, which is the abbreviation of le cinéma, which means cinema. Le ciné. L'appli, which is the abbreviation of l'application, which means app. L'appli. La télé, which is the abbreviation of la télévision, which means television. La télé. Le prof, which is the abbreviation of le professeur, which means professor. Le prof. L'appart, which is the abbreviation of l'appartement, which means apartment. L'appart. L'ordi, which is the abbreviation of l'ordinateur, which means computer. L'ordi. L'ado, which is the abbreviation of l'adolescent, which means teenager. L'ado. L'anniv, which is the abbreviation of l'anniversaire, which means birthday. L'anniv. L'après-midi, which is the abbreviation of l'après-midi, which means afternoon. L'après-midi. Bio, which is the abbreviation of Bio-Biologique, which means organic. Bio. La cafèt, which is the abbreviation for la cafétéria, which means cafeteria. La cafèt. Le dico, which is the abbreviation of le dictionnaire, which means dictionary. Le dico. Dispo, which is the abbreviation of Disponible, which means available. Dispo. L'examen, which is the abbreviation of l'examen, which means exam. L'examen. L'expo, which is the abbreviation of l'exposition, which means exhibition. L'expo. L'hosto, which is the abbreviation of l'hôpital, which means hospital. L'hosto. L'info, which is the abbreviation of l'information, which means news or information. L'info. Du mat, which is the abbreviation of du matin, which means in the morning. Du mat. Les maths, which is the abbreviation of les mathématiques, which means mathematics. Les maths. Le mécano, which is the abbreviation of le mécanicien, which means mechanic. Le mécano. Le petit-déj, which is the abbreviation of le petit-déjeuner, which means breakfast. Le petit-déj. Le ou la pro, which is the abbreviation of le la professionnel, which means professional. La pub, which is the abbreviation of la publicité, which means publicity. La pub. Le fac, which is the abbreviation of la faculté, which means university. Le fac. Le resto, which is the abbreviation of le restaurant, which means restaurant. Le resto. Sympa, which is the abbreviation of sympathique, which means friendly. Sympa. Le dico, which is the abbreviation of le dictionnaire, which means dictionary. Le dico. Le bac, which is the abbreviation of le baccalauréat, which means baccalaureate. Le bac. Accro, which is the abbreviation of Accro-Accroché, which means addicted. Accro. Végé, which is the abbreviation of Végétarien, which means vegetarian. Végé. Perso, which is the abbreviation of personnel, which means personal. Perso. Dak, which is the abbreviation of d'accord, which means okay. Dak. Comme d'hab, which is the abbreviation of comme d'habitude, which means as usual. Comme d'hab. La récré, which is the abbreviation of la récréation, which means break time. La récré.